In this video we will see how to save Instagram video in your mobile gallery. Very easy and simple trick. You can easily save any Insta video in your mobile phone. I select one video. Method: how to download Instagram video. Just I select one, click on three dot. Here you can see link option. Just click on link option. Just copy link and go back, open browser. Just click on Google Chrome. Here you can search save Insta. Just search save Insta. Here you can see saveinsta.com. Very amazing website to download any Instagram video and pictures. When open this website, here you can see paste your video link. Just click on view. Wait 2 seconds. You can easily download this Instagram video in your mobile phone. Click on download. Here you can see three dot, click on download. You can easily download any Instagram video. If you like this video, share our video with a friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.